What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Or I got a lot of fake social media platforms out there. I got a lot of people making fake pages, scamming people, acting like me. So please, please, please get a FaceTime verification call or a video before you send your money to anybody. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you get what you paid for, and to make sure you're not getting scammed, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna be dropping some fire gems, and this for my people that's working on their business credit. This for people who trying to get, like I said, we don't use personal credit to get high limit loans. We use business credit to get high limit loans because it's easier, faster, more effective. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all where to go if you got bad, decent credit, like okay credit, like you got bad credit. I'm gonna show you where to go to get some high limit business credit funding. Business funding, basically up to $250,000. Basically, you want to get $250,000 on your business side, and you got bad credit. I'm gonna show you where to go. Point blank, period. All right, because like I said, personal credit really plays a small part of your business credit. Long as it's in a good situation, even in a bad situation, some people, some companies will still lend you money because they understand business. They understand it takes money to make money. So today I'm gonna be talking about a place called Coastal Capital Group. All right, they got 3 different tiers. They got the Lifesaver program, they got the Coastal Fast Fund, and they got the Premier program. Right? They got the program. The first program is for challenge credit. That's for like bad credit. Then they got the for moderate credit, okay, kind of in the middle credit. You can get up to $1 million, and then you got that good strong credit that give you up to a lot of money. So tap in, man. I'm finna show y'all where to go so you can get up to $250,000, $500,000, or you can get up to $1 million. All right, and so without further ado, we're gonna talk about Coastal Capital Group. They're giving out major funds on the business side, not the personal side, but the business side. You got bad credit, but you got an LLC, and you've been in business for at least 3 months, you got a chance to get $250,000 in business fund, business London from them. All right, so we're finna check them out. I'm finna teach y'all where to go. I'm gonna show y'all where to go because I know a lot of y'all probably never heard of them, and I hope this video really implants into you guys' head to start getting y'all business credit together to make you guys want to actually start an LLC, get y'all EIN number, get y'all business established, get y'all websites, get real business funding, because you'll be surprised what small effort it takes to get business funding when you actually do it. It's not that hard. Take small steps. And you take those small steps, and then you finally get approved. Like, man, that's all it took. Just like with personal credit, all right? So without further ado, we're going to talk about Coastal Capital Group. They offer 3 programs. Which one fits best for you? Let's check it out. So today we're going to be talking about Coastal Capital Group, all right? Small business loans, simple, fast, flexible, no restrictions for industry or credit profile. Get $5,000 to $1 million in as little as 24 hours. Terms from 3 to 60 months with monthly, weekly, or daily payment options. All right, see if you qualify. So they offer 3 program options to meet the needs of any business. So Lifesaver program, like I explained, for challenge credit. All right, so severe credit issues, bad credit. Be in 3 months of minimum time in business. Make your business has to be at least 3 years in business. 3 months in business. Higher tax lien, high risk industries. 8,000 minimum monthly revenue. Must have business bank account. No personal or third party fintech accounts. All right, so none of them extra accounts. You gotta have a real business bank account. All right, so 3,000 to 25 $250,000 in little as 24 hours, with emphasis on business cash flow and off credit funding in a little as 24 hours or so. $250,000 is the maximum for that one. So the coastal fast funds, the moderate credit, our most popular program, BC tier credit, bad credit, tier credit levels, 6 months minimum payment. Small tax liens, okay. $10,000 minimum monthly revenue, must have a bank account, no personal or third-party fintechs. And then the premium program, the strong credit, good credit, 2 years in business, good financials, low risk industries, $20,000 month minimum revenues, $25,000 to $500,000 term loans, and revolving lines of credit, 12 to 60 months, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payments, funded in typically 1 to 2 days, all right? So apply online. They use secure website by clicking the link, retrieve contracts by email, simply sign and return electronically, and then funds are wired directly into your business account. The Coastal Capital difference: over 10,000 businesses have turned to the Coastal Capital Group for their business finance needs. We take out the guesswork. They handle all levels of business credit. So whether you qualify for premium discount rates for strong applicants, or you have serious issues you need help with, or like most people, you just aren't sure what the best terms are that can qualify for our funding program provides the best terms for the needs, your situation. No industry restrictions, no credit score restrictions. I told y'all, no credit score restrictions. All right, so one simple application gives you instant access to quick funding. We have multiple funding platforms to address any situation. Any situation. No need to apply with numerous funders. Our system analyzes applications data to consistently deliver the best terms available for our clients. All right, so no credit score restrictions. Highest approval rates, 89% approves. Nobody delivers more. You better get y'all some quick money bags. Coastal Capital offers the best choices for small business groups. No credit score restrictions. Hey, you see that? No industry restrictions. No collateral required. So this ain't no secured. This all unsecured. No banker freeze. No cost. No obligation application. Business consultants. Simple 5-minute application. All right, so faster and easier than banks. Programs for all credit levels. True business loans with fixed interest and fixed payments. Not no merchant cash advances. No upfront costs or prepayment penalties. Loan funds can be used for any business purpose. Simple online application. You cannot beat this. This the sauce right here. This goes by you telling y'all to get y'all businesses and your LLC together, because y'all can get major loans. You can get $250,000 from them. Easy. Bad credit. Finally, small business owners can get the credit they need at the reasonable rates, rates with much easier credit requirements. We have several options available that can provide working capital to a wide variety of businesses based on cash flow, not just credit. All right. In fact, the business owner's credit score can be as low as 500 on major credit bureaus, or low rates program utilizes a score system that only takes into account the last 2 years of credit history. This is extremely helpful to the many business owners who have credit problems in the recent past due are getting back on their feet. So, like I told y'all, add them trade lines. That'll help better. But if you got bad credit, you got everything in order, all your paperwork together, all your paperwork together, period, basically, you can get this $250,000 in point blank period. So, Coastal Capital Group, go check them out. You got bad credit, you got a chance to get it up to $250,000, $250,000. Just be in business for at least 3 months. Check them out, get approved, get some money. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about it. There you guys got it. Coastal Capital Group, all right? They're giving out $250,000 in business funding, even if you got bad credit. All you gotta do is be in business for at least 3 months. Qualify, what is it? 3 months. You make at least $8,000 in monthly revenue and have a real bank account, business bank account. All right, high risk industries, higher tax liens. Y'all know what is going on with that, and y'all can get approved for that $250,000. It's $3,000 to $250,000 in as little as 24 hours, with emphasis on the business cash flow and off credit. All right, funding in as little as 24 hours. All right, so like I said, you can get $250,000 with as little as 500 credit score. And if y'all take the steps that I told y'all before in all the rest of my videos, how to clean y'all credit, how to freeze y'all credit, add them trade lines, let it marinate, then do a lot of different stuff, you to help. Just like them credit strong accounts that I showed y'all that work perfect for business funding like this. Go get those, because I promise you, you get those, you add them to your personal credit, and then you get your business together, and then you go apply for these loans like this. I promise you, you'll get approved. And this is how people are getting that big bag. This is how people are getting the major funding. This is how people getting them real big checks, them real business checks. They not getting no personal checks for $250,000. No, they getting business checks for $250,000. And the same things that people doing on their personal side is the same thing they doing on their business side. You just can get more funding, more money way easier. All right, so make sure you go tap in with them. Make sure you go check them out. Make sure y'all go get some money. Make sure y'all go run up a bag. Make sure y'all go do what y'all need to do so you can get qualified for these loans. So don't just, hey, if you got an LLC right now and you can prove that you make up to $8,000 a month in monthly funds and all your paperwork together, go apply. But if you're not, hold on, get y'all lessons, get the information that you need, so when you do apply, you will have a better success rate of getting approved, all right? And that's why I give my lessons, so I can show people and teach people how to get approved, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems, and make sure y'all coming to win, all right? Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, my new supporters, my old fans and supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. All right, anybody out there looking to clean and build their credit, get into the credit game, get their credit together, start getting to the next level. Credit lessons is $600, all right? And if you want me to do it for you, want me to clean and build your credit, it's going to start at $1,500, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in on that credit builder lessons right there, new age credit repair. Also, book your seat right now. Limited FaceTime one-on-one limited gems is $1,200. All right, limited gems, everything you need to know: CPNs, credit repair, credit cleans, how to get loans, how to do this, how to do that, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, how to just make money, period. All right, so limited gems, everything that you need to know. Tap in, $1,200. All right, mentorships is $2,500. We're going to make money together. We're going to make passive income together. We make YouTube channels together. I'm going to show you how to get rich. I'm going to show you how to get paid. I'm going to show you how to invest. I'm going to show you how to be blessed. I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media. I'm going to show you the game. I'm going to show you documents. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. All right, so make sure y'all tap it in on that. Also, make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state, $500 deposit. You pay your deposit, you pick the date. Once we pick the date, we meet up, you pay the rest of the money, and we get to work. All right, I'm going to give you all the gems that you need to know, show you about the DW, everything, all the sauce. All right, so everything that the limited gems come with, mentorship come with, plus we're going to be making money together. All right, so make sure y'all tap in on that. Also, Memorial Day weekend, the 26th, 27th, 28th, I will be in Miami, Florida. So make sure South Beach. So book your seat right now on the in-person unlimited gyms, $3,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be meeting Miami, Florida. So make sure y'all tapping in. 10 seats available, man. Don't miss out, because there's going to be a lot of gyms. We're going to turn up. We're doing a lot of good content. You might get a chance to be in one of my skits, blogs, movies, music videos, whatever. So make sure you tap in, man. Like I said, Memorial Day weekend, I will be in Miami, Florida, South Beach. Tap in, 10 seats available for the in-person unlimited gyms. I'm going to show you how to get rich. You might start making some money right then and there. $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money when we meet in Miami, Florida. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, entertainment, producers, cameraman, all that good stuff. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews, $200. Models, tap in. Any beautiful lady out there that's ready to elevate, ready to get her brand out there, her platform together, ready to start entering this entertainment business. You tired of taking these half-naked pictures and not getting nowhere. You tired of shaking your for free and not getting nowhere. You ready to elevate, you ready to become a real queen, a real boss. Tap in. I'm going to put you in the right position. Just make sure you got a good head on your shoulder, no attitudes. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. I don't know everything, but I know a little by a lot, clearly. So let me help you, guide you down the right path. Let's make this money together. Teamwork, make the dream work, and let's make it happen, all right? Also, any cameraman in Houston, Texas, you actually a videographer. I mean, you shoot the video, you go home and you edit the video, and you put the effects and do all that. Tap in. Let's work. Content equals views, views equal money, point blank, period. So the more content we put out, the more views we make, the more money we make. Easy as that. No other way to explain it. We're going to be traveling. We're going to be hitting states. We're going to be doing a lot of different stuff. All right, so make sure you're tapping in. So yeah, that's basically it. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all follow me. Go run the follows up on my IG, King Hussle X1M, and the real King Hussle X1M. Links are in the bio. Make sure y'all go subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels, because when I do this giveaway, this major giveaway, Air Force Ones, Jordans, new merch coming soon, all type of stuff. You don't want to miss out. You missed out on the $5,000 giveaway on my Telegram. Make sure y'all go follow my Telegram, because I got all my business going through there. So much sauce going there, so much everything on there. So make sure y'all tap in on my Telegram, and you can follow link in my community post. Man, I got a lot going on, but hey, this is the life of a businessman. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the YouTube channels, so you won't miss out. And y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.